We continue with the chapter of polynomials, practice set 3.6, question 2, factorize the following. Yes girls, there are 7 sum out of which 3 are deleted, the first 4 are there. So let us start with the first one. I hope you all have started along with me. Yes girls, I'll tell you when to stop. Copy the question all of you. Yes. Now, looking at the question, bracket, can you see the bracket is same. So what can we do is, we can take the bracket as one another variable a, m or any other variable. Okay. So what I say, let x square minus x be equal to m. So the existing becomes m square minus 8m plus 12. The existing polynomial has got converted into this. Now, agreed? Have you understood? Now, in place, this looks now similar, no? You have done same type of sum in the first part. Split the last term to get the middle term. Now 12. 12, for 12 the splitting possible is 4 3s are, 6 2s are. You have a plus 12 but you want minus. So minus 6 minus 2. Right? So we go further. We solve m square minus 6m minus 2m plus 12. M is common, m minus 6. Minus 2 is common, m minus 6. What is common? M minus 6, m minus 2. Substituting the value of m. What do we get? We substitute here m as x square minus x minus 6. X square minus x minus 2. Is this very clear? Now tell me, here anywhere possibility of splitting, check whether it is further. Are we able to solve? Minus 6. Minus 6 is 6 ones are. Then minus 3 and a 2. Minus 3 plus 2. Do we get minus 1? Yes. When we multiply, do we get minus 6? Yes. Same way, check for minus 2. 2 ones are. So it can be minus 2 and plus 1. Is it possible that it will get solved further? Yes or no? Yes, are you sure? Okay, so we continue further and we solve further. And when we solve further, what is we are doing again? We are again using the same process of factorizing. Is that very clear? So we have it as x square minus 3x plus 2x, correct? This is what we selected. Minus 6. So this is the first bracket. The second bracket is x square minus 2x plus x minus 2. Now as we are solving, we can use square bracket for our work to be easier and identified better. That is the first box. And the second box is x again, x minus 2 plus 1 is common. So x minus 2 again. Now what is common throughout? Yes, x minus 2. What is remaining? X plus 2. So you have x minus 2, you have x plus 2. Again what is common? X minus 2 and a x plus 1. So this is what is factorizing. Have you factorized a polynomial into getting into factors? That is the meaning of the word factorize. Convert the given polynomial into factors. If you have followed this, I think you are in a position to do all the next two. Okay, the concept used is the same. So So please complete writing. So we start with the second sum. Copy the question, girls. Yeah, here I will help you in the start, but I think you can go further as you see the initial arrangement done for you. Okay. So here you have a x minus 5, but we can't see a x minus 5, so it is looking a little difficult. But I will help you to get a x minus 5. If I take out 5 common, what remains is x minus 5. Agreed or not? X minus 5, x minus 5. So let x minus 5 be equal to m. So this becomes m square minus 5m minus 24. Correct? Now 24 with the minus sign. Split. 6 4s are 6 and 4 will never give us 5. What else possible? 12 2s are 12 and 2 not possible of a 5. What is the other splitting possible? Keep on checking. 8 3s are, yes, minus 8 plus 3. Minus 8 plus 3. That is m is common now. M minus 8. 3 is common here, so m minus 8. M minus 8, m minus 8 is common. What are we left with? M plus 3. So what we do again? We reverse it. Resubstituting or substituting the value of m. Now this will become m is x minus 5 minus 8 x minus 5 plus 3. So what do you get? X minus 13, x minus 2. Have you got into factors? Yes? So is it clear? Always keep in mind, even though you get factors here the factors are in which variable? M. Check, is that the variable in the question? No. So get back to that variable, then only you can complete your sum. Is that very clear? Okay. Now have a look at the third one. Now do you find the sum friendly? Okay. Let us start. Come on, quick. Today we should finish this exercise. Started? Okay. Some of you must have understood the way how to go far, right? Question is x square minus 6x the whole square minus 8 x square minus 6x. Oh, I'm not supposed to close the bracket. We have a plus 8 minus 64. Okay, now do you have something x square minus 6x? Yes. So let x square minus 6x be as m. Therefore, it becomes m square minus 8. M plus 8 minus 64. Got it? Is this very clear? Only x square minus 6x will become m. Followed? Now, open the bracket. This becomes m square minus 8m minus into plus minus 64 minus 64. m square minus 8m minus 128. 128. Let us check the splitting for 128. Anyone who knows the splitting to get 8? 1 to 8. 1 splitting is 64 twos are 16 fours are 4 twos are 8. Yes, 16 and 8. Minus 16 plus 8 will give us minus 8. So minus 16 plus 8 minus 128. M is common. M minus 16. 8 is common. M minus 16. So M minus 16 into M plus 8. Substituting the value of M. What do we get? We get x square minus 6x minus 16, the first part. Second part, x square minus 6x plus 8. Okay, now see where there is any possibility of splitting and is it going to help us? Okay, we have minus 16 here. Minus 16 can be splitted as 8 twos are. Minus 8 plus 2 gives us minus 6. Last one is 8 here. 8 possible is 4 twos are. And it is plus. So minus 4 minus 2 gives you minus 6 also. Yes, we got it. That is, we go further. X square minus 8x plus 2x minus 16. The second bracket, x square minus 4x minus 2x plus 8. Here we put it in the cross box. X, okay, this is not box. X minus 8, 2 is common, x minus 8. Box is closed. Next box, x minus 4 minus 2 is common, x minus 4. So what do we get? Very good. Okay, x minus 8, x plus 2, x minus 4 and x minus 2. Have you got the answer? Yes. So, yes, good. So you have done, I have done 3 sums for you. Now, can you try the fourth one? Come on, start without my help. Quick. Done? Okay, the question is x square minus 2x plus 3, x square minus 2x plus 5, minus 35. I am sure some of you must have already started. Those who have started, you continue. Those who have not started, you get m plus 3, m plus 5 minus 35. Split and multiply. So we get m into m plus 5 plus 3 into m plus 5. 35 as it is continues. M square plus 5m plus 3m plus 15 minus 35. M square plus 8m minus 20. Now split 20 to get 8. 10 twos are minus 10 plus 10 minus 2. Okay, so m square plus 10m minus 2m minus 20. M is common. M plus 10, 2 2 is common, m plus 10 into m minus 2. What we do next? Yes, resubstitute. So when we resubstitute, what do we get is x square minus 2x plus 10, second bracket x square minus 2x minus 2. Now, is it further possible? 10 and 2. 10 to get 2 is quite difficult. 10 ones are, 5 twos are. Minus 2, from there to get a minus 2 is not possible. So, your answer is this. Is that very clear? So, with this, we have finished with the exercise. Now, I'll just discuss with you the sums from the problem set, especially the, first question. Choose the correct alternatives. Come on. Okay.